in a while, magkakaroon kami ng brunch with my family. And because of that, I decided to film another tutorial. And this is my look for today. Again, it's nothing so drastic. I'm sticking to a natural makeup tutorial again. Medyo neutrals yung color, and pati yung cheeks and yung lips is very neutral for today. So, without further ado, let's start. Okay, so let's start again with primer. At gagamitin ko na naman for my primer is the Quick FX No Shine Mattifier na mabibili sa Watsons. And yan. Just take a generous amount and then apply to your face. Next up, once again, is to conceal your blemishes. And ang gagamitin ko again for my concealer is the Pinkies Collection Cream Foundation. So, for some reason, ang dami kong blemish around the lips. Hindi ko alam if this is because of stress or what. Also, don't forget to cover the under eye area. And basically, anything that needs more coverage. And then I just blend with my fingers. Next, for my overall base, I'm gonna use my favorite once again. So, I'm using the Pond's BB Cream in Flawless White. Diba? Finally, setting my base with some powder, and I'm using the Maybelline New York. I forgot kung anong powder to, pero ito yung nabibili lang sa drugstore. Around 250 pesos. Okay, now that I'm done with the base, I'm going to move on to my eyebrow. So, I'm just going to use a clear brow gel for my brows, and I'm using the Nichido one. Just make sure to brush yung yung inner end upwards. Ayan. And then just make sure na in place lang yung bandang dulo sa outer end. And yun lang. So of course, I'll do it with my outer brow. Just brush the inner end again upwards. And then, make sure na neat lang yung dulo. Yung outer end. For today, gusto ko mas lighter lang ng konti. So, I'm going to use espresso. Ito, parang cooler, neutral, brownish shade. May difference mo. Also, don't forget my lower lashes. Okay. Sometimes, when I'm putting products sa aking lower lash line, talagang hindi ko mapagilang manon. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang. Ayan, o. Ayan, may difference naman kahit paano. Parang mas naging hooded eyes. Next step, of course, is to curl my lashes and apply a coat of mascara. So, I'm going to use my favorite Nichido lengthening mascara once again. So curl your lashes. Oh, by the way, I'm using a Fanny Serrano eyelash curler. And sobrang ganda ng curler na to kasi college pa lang ako. Ito na yung ginagamit ko. And hanggang ngayon, okay pa din siya. And hindi ko pa pinapalitan yung rubber na yun. For today, parang ayoko na lang maglagay sa lower lashes ko ng mascara. So, okay na yung top lashes siguro. Okay, last two steps. So, I'm just going to use some blush and some lipstick. So, for my blush, I'm just using a random blush from a palette sa Color Workshop. In person, hindi naman masyadong pula, pero sa camera, sobrang rosy. Okay. So, last step is for my lips, and I'm just using one of my favorite shades. So, I'm using Maybelline's Creamy Matte in Touch of Spice. Wala naman point kung ginaganto ko kasi hindi naman siya nagfo-focus. So, I'll just wear it now. Again, natural makeup tutorial na naman to. Hindi ko alam. Nung college ako, nagsisimula pa lang akong mag-makeup. Gusto ko mas adventurous yung looks, mas maraming kulay. Pero nung tumatanda na ako, mas gusto ko na lang yung mga madaling gawin na makeup and yung natural. But hopefully, I would be able to do some tutorials na mas bongga na in the near future. So again guys, thank you again for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, just please don't forget to press the like button down below, and then also subscribe to my channel, and then as usual, I will see you guys again in my next video.